7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Crypto. So every market is controlled by emotions, it's controlled by fear, it's controlled by greed. That's why we have bull cycles, we have bull runs. The market's always going up and coming down because of this singular factor. Because people in the whole market are not rational. Down anytime their money is going down, they want to get out of the market. Anytime it's going up, they want to get into the market, and they are controlled by the fear and greed. Guys, we're taking a look at this Wall Street cheat sheet, and this sheet is showing us all the emotions we go through during when the market is rallying and when the market is dumping and when it's accumulation, markup, and all of that. We'll be going through each and every of these emotions so that we'll know how to play these emotions when these emotions happens. Guys, we're all human beings and we can't run away from our emotions. At some point in time, this market we're going through all go through each and every one of these emotions, and knowing how to play these emotions is going to be key to surviving the alt season of this market. Guys, I believe alt season is coming. Bitcoin is in the bear market and the altcoins will soon go crazy. We're talking about different emotions. Market physiology refers to the prevailing behavior and aggregate sentiment of the market actors at any point in time. The term is often used by the financial media and analysts to explain market movements that may not be explained by other metrics such as fundamental analysis. Now, there's different ways to look at the market. You can look at the market and say, oh, the market is pumping just because people are buying, or it's dumping because people are selling. Another way to look at it is say the market is pumping because people are greedy, and the market is dumping because people are fearful. And these two singular things, fear and greed, they control us as human beings. We're either flying to safety or we're trying to get greedy to save more for some better days. Now, the first emotion that we always experience, that's we have been in the market long enough, the first emotion that most people experience when the market has been dumping for a very long time is disbelief. Now, after a bear market or after a downward period of time in the market, when the market has been going down, just like the way we are right now, the market has been going down since November 2021 when Bitcoin actually topped at 69,000. The market has been a downward trend. All the altcoins, most of them have been going down with Bitcoin and Ethereum. After that time, the first rally into the new bull market are not believed to be real. Investors always think the rally will fail. That's why anytime we have any pump right now, people will say, this is just a fake pump. This is an exit liquidity pump. Better don't buy into the rally. Yes, at some point in time, they'll be right, because up to the point of recording of this video, all the rallies we have had have actually looked like fake pump. Guys, at some point in time, they will be right. You can see all the rallies we have had right here, we have been stopped at 45,000. People have been saying that's the exit pump. We are going lower. And I always believe something. When the whole market is believing something, the opposite of that will always happen. So because a lot of people are actually getting bearish now because we have actually been dumping since November 2021, that's why I believe we are going to actually have a relief rally. And that relief rally with Bitcoin is when the altcoins are going to go crazy, and that will be alt season. When the rally starts happening, guys, people will not believe that the rally is real. They'll say, oh my god, this has happened before. And that's disbelief. That's at this point in time where a lot of them have been depressed, they are angry, they have panic. So we'll get to those emotions later, but they will not believe it. Now, after that disbelief rally, then we go to hope. This is the first sign in the beginning of a new bull market that a price recovery from the lows is possible and the move higher will hold. Now, after this disbelief rally, a lot of people will not buy. A lot of people saying, oh, I'm waiting for confirmation. I'm waiting for Bitcoin. For example, people are saying, I'm waiting for Bitcoin to get to 45,000 for me to receive confirmation before I enter back the market. I'll be in these tables, yada, yada, yada. They are waiting now. They want the market to be safe before they enter. So they are waiting for Bitcoin to clear this red line I put right here. So they are still in disbelief till Bitcoin actually clear this place, and like they'll really not believe the rally is real. And when Bitcoin clears, then there will be hope. There will be people believing that, oh, maybe the rally is real. Maybe the rally is real. But I always used to say this thing. All the people that are waiting for hope, many of them are in stables. Many of them are holding their coins. And guys, these things, these emotions that we're looking at here, they happen in all time frames, whether it's on the daily, on the 4 hour, on the 1 minute, on the 2 minute, on the monthly. They happen in different time frames. Now, think about it, guys. If Bitcoin get back to 59, 60,000, a lot of people believe the bull run is back on. And I always believe something, that price always used to go to that level where to wreck a lot of people. That means price will go to where to wreck the bulls and to wreck the bears at the same time. That means nobody will have hope in the market. At that point in time, the bulls would have been telling the bears, oh, we were right all along. You guys were shorting the markets, were wrong. And the bulls would be expecting higher prices, and the bears would have given up. At that point in time, guys, where I believe the market will always reverse. Now, the next emotion we actually see after hope, after everybody saying, oh, a rally is possible, we can actually start pumping, is optimism. Now you now start seeing that Bitcoin has crossed 46, 45, 46,000. It's actually going to 47, 48,000. A lot of altcoins are actually starting to go higher, higher, and higher. The bull market can start trending higher on the optimism that the new upswing price is real. At that point in time, a lot of people would have gotten confirmation right here that, oh, Bitcoin is going to set new higher prices. We have cleared 45,000, yada, yada, yada. A lot of these altcoins that actually have been dumping, guess what, guys? They will actually start showing signs of recovery. I know that a lot of the altcoins right now, their charts actually just don't look really nice, but they'll not be showing signs of recovery. Everybody will be like, you know what? I think the bull run is not over. Then after that, we'll enter believe. When Bitcoin now start entering 50K, and I've seen this thing happen so many times in this market, when Bitcoin reach a particular level, a psychological level of like, oh my God, the bull market is back on. Investors will begin to have faith in the market. They'll see the market to trend higher. They'll begin to enter into the market. All the people that will be on the sidelines saying that they're waiting for confirmation at 46, 47K, all those guys will start entering the market. All the people that sold all their crypto right here, fearing that the market is going to lower prices, they will start FOMOing in, because right now they can see that the market is staying above 45,000, and all the times we're going above 45,000, market actually went above 50,000, and 50,000 was the place where we got to in September before the market dipped. They'll start making all these mental gymnastics. You start hearing price predictions. Oh, Bitcoin is going to 100K, yada, yada, yada. Everybody is now invested in the market, believing that the bull run is real. We're going to higher prices. You can see, believe right here. Everything will be green. You wake up today, no matter where you buy, tomorrow you would have made profit. Then we'll enter the next phase of the market. This is the emotions that actually used to get a lot of people, that start getting people wrecked. This emotion is called thrill. When the thrill of the profits When the trail of profits and making money begin, the sentiment turn bullish and people become very vocal about buying. Bitcoin now is now back. For example, in this example we're using here, Bitcoin is now back above 53, 54K. People will be telling you, oh, how I bought Bitcoin when it was in 40K. Thank God I bought it when it was 34K. Other people that didn't buy will be regretting why didn't they buy. They'll start FOMOing, the fear of missing out. People will now start saying, oh my God, Bitcoin is just 100% from 100K, from 50K. Bitcoin just has to double itself for us to go to 100K. And 100K is where people are seeing it. A lot of people will be thinking about the future money they can make, this thrill. You'll be telling your friends, oh, I want to buy more. Let me borrow. Where can I borrow money? I got to tell everyone. And altcoins then would have been going crazy, because most times when this thing happens, Altseason, the altcoins are actually pumping more than Bitcoin. Altcoins are already pumping, then people will be like, oh my God, can you hear? I've bought so and so altcoins. I've made times 3 my money. I've made times 4 my money. People are already posting screenshots on everything. Twitter is very bullish. Nobody wants to hear any bearish scenario. Then we'll get to the last phase of the excitement. That's euphoria. At this point in time, everybody believes they are going to reach. People that have gotten into the market are going to be lecturing people that have been in the market for long, telling them they don't know what they are doing. A lot of people getting high on their own supply. They're talking about how we're all going to get rich and nothing can go wrong. This is a new technology. We're all going to be doing that euphoria. And you can see right here on the chart, Euphoria is actually at the top. People always get the most euphoric at the top of all the charts. That's how people were when Bitcoin was at 69,000. When Bitcoin even got 64,000 May last year, that's what people were at this point in time. Let's say Bitcoin is getting to 58, 59,000. We're almost getting to the new all-time high. A lot of altcoins are printing new all-time high. You're just hearing good news about altcoins, Bitcoin, hearing future price predictions, hearing how everything is going to go to the moon. And that phase is called euphoria. The peak in prices in the bull markets are rich on euphoria as investors start thinking their genesis for being long for the whole time. They start projecting how much money they will make going forward based on previous return. By that time, the market has seen higher prices. A lot of people are 10x their return, 20x. Some people are even 30, 40x their return. Many people won't take profit because why should I take profit? The market has been going up for like the last 1 month or 2 months. Why should I be taking profit? That's what happened during Altseason, and a lot of people get wrecked. A lot of people will be selling their Bitcoin because probably Bitcoin is not having the same return as all those altcoins. A lot of people will be selling their Bitcoin, buying all those altcoins. Everybody's believing they're going to be rich together. You'll be hearing hodl, let's fucking go, buy the dip, have fun staying poor. They'll be laughing at people that are not in the market. People that are not in the market will be trying to buy the top because they want to get rich very quick. And then we enter the next phase of the market, and that's complacency. At that point in time, we'll have some dips, some very violent dips that at some point in time, those dips are supposed to scare people. But because the market has been going up for a very long time, people won't get scared. Investors don't believe the recent high prices were at the top or at the end of the bull run, and that the big drop is just a small pullback before making new all-time highs. That's exactly, guys, what happened when Bitcoin got 69,000. It pulled back to around 60,000. That was the best time for people to sell. People did not sell. People were like, oh my god, Bitcoin is going to set new all-time high. This is just a dip. We're testing back the new all-time high, yada yada yada. This is the best place for us to crawl off to the next rally. You can see it actually even happened here in April 2021. It happened at this point in time for Bitcoin at May 7. After I've been going up for a very long time, Bitcoin had the first crash that was supposed to show us that, man, this is bearish. Then it had the retracement and people got so bullish here. All the altcoins were going crazy here. Everything was mooning. People piled in and everybody was going all in. That's when many people were doing leverage, I myself included. And then the market turned on its head and a lot of people lost all the gains they made in that point in time. I believe that same thing will happen in the future because, guys, we're all controlled by fear and greed, and all these green marks you see on the cycle here, all the green signs you see on the charts here, those are greed. This is the place in the chart that is telling us people are getting greedy, and all the red candlesticks we are seeing is telling us where people are getting fearful. At some point in time, if they get too greedy or too fearful, it has to reverse on its head. After the complacency has set in place, the market keep going down, then anxiety. People are now scared. Oh my god, what's happening? Investors start becoming concerned and worried as the pullback evolves into a long downtrend in price. I believe that's what's happening in Bitcoin at some point in time. Bitcoin started going down. People were like, oh my god, what's happening? That was where Bitcoin was at this region. What's happening? Bitcoin kept going down, and every day people were shouting, buy the dip, buy the dip. Till people got tired of buying the dip, and next their anxiety actually turned to denial. People started talking, oh my god, this is how Bitcoin is. If you're not ready for the dip, you're not ready to hold cryptocurrency is very volatile. It's volatile to the upside, it's volatile to the downside. At this point in time, investors decide just to stay in the market as they are holding good long-term investment. This is the best time to sell for some people. Some people that have 10x, 20x their return, it could have turned to 5x, 6x their return. They won't still sell. They'll believe that, I mean, the coin has been going up. Why will it will still go up in the future, believing they can handle the dip. Then we go into the stage where people start panicking. At this stage in panicking, they're like, oh my god, all people that started doing leverage when the market was at the top, they'll start getting panic calls. Investors start to panic and think it may be the best time just to get out of the market and just save the capital they have left. Remember, at this point in time, they have not actually gotten out of the market. They are just panicking. They're just saying, oh my god, should I sell, should I not sell? Because at this point in time, it looks as if all the gains they have made has gone, and people that thought they can actually handle the dip in the market realize that, oh my god, I can't actually handle the dip in the market. Then we start going into the phase where everybody wants to sell, everybody wants to get out. They believe everything is getting to zero. This is the capitulation phase. Fear overtakes all the original plan with further lower prices. Fear overtakes the original plan with further lower prices, and more people sell to stop the pain of financial loss. At capitulation phase, at this phase in time, people are done, because if you look at the chart from here, the price has gone up. Now the price look as if everything is going to zero. People are done. Nobody wants to be in the market. Everybody's selling back to stables. And guys, a lot of these altcoins, I believe we were at this point in time, a lot of people are selling back to stables. They're like, you know what, I can't afford to lose more. I'll wait and buy when they're lower prices. And after capitulation is anger. People now start getting angry. After capitulation, guys, is anger. People start getting angry at people that are shorting the market. Investors grow angry at whatever they believe caused the bear market and the loss of their bear market gains. People will start turning on each other, turning on influencers, saying, is this influencer that made me buy this crypto? Is this person that led me the wrong path? They'll be finding everybody to blame. The only person they won't blame is themselves, the person that made all those wrong decisions. And that's why you should be in tune with your own emotions, guys. If you're trading crypto or you're investing in crypto, you want to know how you're feeling so that you're able to react to the way you're feeling. Don't blame anybody. Every decision you took by yourself. Don't go off investing off somebody's opinion on Twitter or on YouTube. After they have that anger, then we'll have depression. That's where they have just realized, you know what, I made a very huge mistake. The people that are still in the market will be very depressed because the market have been going down for a very long time. What can they do? It looks like we're in the bear market. The bear market is not coming to an end, and they don't want to sell at a loss. They're just holding it, saying, oh my god, this thing will never go up. Depression. Investors are depressed about giving back their bull market profits, and they feel foolish for not exiting at the right price. That's how exactly a lot of people are feeling right now, telling themselves, why didn't I sell Bitcoin when it was 69k? Oh my god, why didn't I sell when it was 65k? Why didn't I even sell when it was 55k? Why did I hold it down to $38,000? People will be feeling that way, guys. Why do you think people are feeling that way? That's the way human beings are. If the market was on the top, people will be feeling bad for not buying at the bottom. If the market was at the bottom, they'll feel bad for not selling at the top. That's just the way people are. People always regret their action. And after depression, guys, guess what? We'll go back to disbelief, then hope, optimism, and the whole cycle continues. You can see that at the point of maximum financial opportunity is the point where many people are depressed. That's at the point where you should be buying a lot. At this anger phase and depression phase, when a lot of people should be accumulating these cryptos, that's the time where they are depressed, and that's the time if you buy, you actually make a lot of money. The market is not going anywhere. The only thing that changes in the market is people's feelings and their mood towards each crypto. Bitcoin is still Bitcoin, Ethereum is still Ethereum, and XRP is still XRP. Most of this crypto, nothing has actually changed over time. They are still the same commodities. The only thing that is changing is the way people feel towards them. Guys, the next thing I want to talk about is the way people valuate these cryptos. Now, the valuation of all these cryptos, they follow a particular pattern, and this is the pattern they follow. The stealth fails. That's when the crypto is actually not pumping. Nobody wants it. The thing is down. And smart money, the people that know that this thing is going to go up in the future, that the ones buying it, then the crypto will go off, then to have its first sell off, then the institutional investors will start buying. Why? Because those cryptos have shown them that the sign of life. After that, when institutional investors have buy, they have accumulate all the cryptos they want. That's the awareness phase. Then we'll enter the mania phase, where the crypto will start pumping to mad valuations. You'll be hearing everybody talking about it, people will be tweeting about it, and that's where most people actually buy their crypto. When the thing has started being in the news, they're hearing, oh, Dogecoin makes so and so amount, Shiba Inu makes so and so amount, and this celebrity is buying this crypto. And most of the time, when the public is entering all this crypto, is when it's in the thrill, greed, and delusion phase. And before they know what's happening, we're already in the blow up phase where everything is capitulating, and this is where the investors, the institutional investors, are selling out, and that's where the public will still be hoping for higher prices. I'm bringing you all these videos, guys, because I want you guys to be able to control your emotions and know how to act when Altseason 2022 will show. And guys, I'm showing you this one. This is physiological market cycle. This exact thing happened to Bitcoin. This Bitcoin from 2018 till the bear market. You can see right here, we had the bull market. We had all the emotions of the bull market. This is when Bitcoin got to 20K. People are saying I'm going to be a genius because Bitcoin went from $2,000 straight blast to 20K. Everybody went to the complacency rally till Bitcoin got to the anger state. That was at $3,000, and that was the best time to buy. And look at it right now. The point of recording of this video, Bitcoin is back above 38,000, and people are still shouting it was the dip. Even when this chart was made, Bitcoin was at $10,000, and that was the Disbelief rally. That was the Disbelief stage. Thank you for watching these videos, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel on YouTube. It's Mr. Crypto. Don't forget to turn on the post notification. You want to get notified anytime I drop new content. Follow me on Twitter, on Facebook, and on Instagram, on Telegram. It's Mr. Crypto. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys next time. Bye.